After a long pause, Autoland is back, ready to take you on a journey where innovation meets adventure. Today we unveil the stunning 2027 BYD Wanaka RVT 5DM Pro Max, a motorhome that redefines luxury, power, and freedom on the road. The 2027 BYD Wanaka RV 5DM Pro Max is designed for adventurers who demand power and efficiency on the road. Its dual electric motors deliver instant torque, giving this electric motorhome smooth acceleration and strong climbing ability, even on steep inclines. With a high-capacity battery pack, it offers extended range for long journeys without frequent charging stops. Advanced suspension technology and precise handling systems ensure stability on highways, mountain roads, or winding scenic routes. Intelligent drive modes allow you to switch between comfort, efficiency, and sport-like performance depending on your journey. The regenerative braking system adds efficiency while enhancing safety, converting energy back into the battery as you drive. This combination of power, control, and advanced electric technology makes the BYD Wanaka RVT a perfect blend of eco-friendly innovation and reliable performance for those who want to explore without compromise. Inside, the Wanaka RVT 5DM Pro Max redefines luxury on the road. The layout has been thoughtfully designed to maximize space and comfort. Step into a modern, fully equipped kitchen with sleek cabinetry, high-end appliances, and polished surfaces that make cooking while traveling effortless. Adjacent to the kitchen, a cozy dining area offers room for family and friends to gather, share meals, or relax. The living space features ambient LED lighting, stylish furnishings, and panoramic windows that bring the outdoors inside, offering breathtaking views wherever you park. At the rear, the bedroom is a sanctuary of comfort, with plush bedding, smart storage, and soft lighting for restful nights. The bathroom combines practicality with elegance, featuring a compact yet modern shower, toilet, and vanity area, all designed to make life on the road convenient and relaxing. Every detail, from material choice to lighting, creates an inviting and sophisticated environment ideal for both short trips and extended journeys. The 2027 BYD Wanaka RVT 5DM Pro Max is expected to hit the market later this year, with first deliveries scheduled for late 2027. BYD has positioned this motorhome for those seeking high-end electric mobility with the convenience of a full-featured RV. Pricing begins at around $230,000, reflecting the premium materials, advanced electric drivetrain, and cutting-edge technology packed into every inch of this vehicle. Options for customization and additional features allow owners to tailor the experience to their specific lifestyle needs. Whether you are exploring national parks, cruising along coastlines, or venturing off the beaten path, the Wanaka RV offers a combination of power, comfort, and eco-conscious engineering. It's more than just a motorhome. It's a complete travel experience designed for those who value performance, luxury, and freedom on the road.
The 2027 Iveco Gredia 5K camper van is designed for travelers who expect more than just transportation. It combines rugged performance, modern engineering, and premium comfort into one impressive luxury motorhome. Built on the trusted Iveco Daily platform, the Gredia 5K delivers outstanding stability, smooth handling, and exceptional durability. Under the hood is a powerful turbo diesel engine paired with a refined automatic transmission, providing effortless acceleration and confident performance on highways, mountain roads, and long-distance journeys. Its reinforced chassis and advanced suspension system ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, even on challenging terrain. Modern driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assistance, and intelligent braking systems, make every trip safer and less stressful. The roof is equipped with high-efficiency solar panels that continuously charge the onboard lithium battery system. Combined with a powerful inverter and generous fresh water capacity, the Gredia 5K is fully prepared for extended off-grid adventures without sacrificing comfort. Whether you're exploring remote mountain passes or cruising along scenic coastal highways, the 2027 IVECO Gredia 5K offers the confidence, reliability, and freedom every traveler dreams of. Step inside, and the Gredia 5K immediately feels more like a luxury apartment than a traditional camper van. Warm ambient LED lighting, elegant wood finishes, soft touch materials, and modern black accents create a sophisticated atmosphere throughout the cabin. Every detail has been carefully designed to maximize both comfort and functionality. Above the driver's cabin is a spacious panoramic bed, offering a relaxing sleeping area with beautiful skylight views. The main living area features premium seating, a stylish dining table, and large panoramic windows that fill the interior with natural light. The fully equipped kitchen includes a spacious countertop, induction cooktop, deep sink, microwave oven, large refrigerator, and generous storage compartments. Everything is within easy reach, making cooking on the road simple and enjoyable. Moving toward the rear, you'll find a private bedroom that perfectly balances luxury and practicality. The elevated bed is accessed by 3 illuminated steps, creating a stylish focal point while providing additional storage underneath. Beneath the bed sits a compact washing machine, allowing travelers to stay comfortable during extended trips without relying on public laundry facilities. A large flat-screen television mounted on the wall transforms the bedroom into a relaxing entertainment space after a long day of adventure. The compact bathroom features a modern shower cabin, premium toilet, elegant sink, large mirror, and practical storage, offering all the comforts of home in an efficient layout. Every inch of the interior has been thoughtfully designed to create a warm, luxurious, and highly functional living space. The 2027 IVECO Gredia 5K represents a vision of what the next generation of luxury motorhomes could become. Although this concept has not yet been officially introduced as a production vehicle, it showcases the direction modern camper van design is heading, combining advanced technology, premium comfort, and complete travel independence. If this model enters production with all of the features presented here, it would undoubtedly compete with some of Europe's finest luxury motorhomes. Industry estimates suggest that a fully equipped version could carry a starting price between 180,000 and 220,000 euros, depending on equipment, customization, and optional features. For travelers who refuse to compromise between comfort and adventure, the 2027 Iveco Gredia 5K offers a compelling vision of the future. It is more than simply a camper van. It is a luxury home on wheels, built for limitless journeys, unforgettable destinations, and the freedom to explore the world without leaving comfort behind.
Imagine setting off on your next adventure without worrying about power, comfort, or efficiency. The all-new 2027 Toyota Aurora Motorhome is designed to redefine luxury travel with Toyota's legendary reliability and cutting-edge engineering. Under the hood, the Aurora is expected to feature Toyota's latest hybrid powertrain, combining a high-efficiency turbocharged gasoline engine with an advanced electric motor system. Together, they deliver smooth acceleration, impressive torque, and exceptional fuel economy for a vehicle of this size. Whether you're cruising along the highway, climbing mountain roads, or exploring remote camping destinations, intelligent all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension provide outstanding stability and confidence. Multiple driving modes automatically adjust power delivery to match road conditions, while advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and intelligent parking assist, make every journey safer and more relaxing. Quiet, refined, and surprisingly agile, the Toyota Aurora transforms every mile into an enjoyable experience. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice that the Aurora feels more like a luxury apartment than a traditional motorhome. The spacious lounge features premium leather seating, a large dining table, panoramic windows, and warm ambient LED lighting that creates an inviting atmosphere day or night. Both front captain's chairs rotate to become part of the living area, maximizing available space. The fully equipped gourmet kitchen includes a large refrigerator with freezer, induction cooktop, convection oven, deep stainless steel sink, generous countertop space, and abundant storage compartments for extended adventures. Moving toward the rear, you'll find a beautifully designed master bedroom with a comfortable queen-size bed, elegant overhead cabinets, and large wardrobes. Adjacent to the bedroom is a compact yet luxurious bathroom featuring a separate glass shower, modern vanity, premium fixtures, and smart storage solutions. The roof is equipped with integrated solar panels, supported by a high-capacity lithium battery system that allows extended off-grid camping without sacrificing comfort. Smart climate control, wireless charging stations, and a fully connected touchscreen control system complete this premium living experience. Although Toyota has not officially confirmed every specification, industry experts expect the 2027 Toyota Aurora Motorhome to make its global debut during the second half of 2027. The first deliveries are anticipated shortly afterward in selected international markets, with broader availability expected to follow depending on regional demand. As for pricing, estimates suggest the Aurora could start at approximately $185,000 for the base configuration, while fully equipped premium versions featuring advanced off-grid systems, luxury interior packages, and additional technology could exceed $250,000. If these expectations become reality, the 2027 Toyota Aurora Motorhome could become one of the most exciting luxury motorhomes of the decade, combining Toyota's trusted engineering, modern technology, premium comfort, and long-distance touring capability into one remarkable vehicle. Would you choose the 2027 Toyota Aurora for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible motorhome reviews.